This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford F-Series. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 6.4-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, front and rear reading lights, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a trailer hitch receiver, and this vehicle has less than 38,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.